Hello future coders, welcome back to another video from CodeRobo.ai, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we are going to complete our 5th mission, that is, to draw a pentagon. So let's get started. Now, in order to draw a pentagon, let's first understand how we can draw it. A pentagon has 5 sides, and the sum of its exterior angles is 360 degrees. To find each exterior angle of this shape, you have to divide 360 by 5. Why 5? Because a pentagon has 5 sides. Now that we have a clear concept, let's go ahead and draw it. We will be using place pen to draw the lines, and pen color block to choose the color. Here, let's go ahead and use the green color. Now let us move 4 steps forward, then turn right. How many degrees? 72 degrees, because dividing 360 by 5 gives you 72. Use repeat block to repeat these 2 lines of code for 5 times. Let us click on the green play button and wait for Robot to trace the gray line. So, we have a pentagon in green color. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe to CodeRobo.ai.